The first time you had a chance to actually do this and actually feed him from a bottle, how did that go? How was that experience for
Actually, it was, took to it pretty quickly. The bottle part was pretty straightforward. When they're hungry, I mean, it's they pretty much not grab it, but they really suck on it pretty hard. So you don't have to do much for that. The burping part, as you can see, it can be a little frustrating sometimes, but that's uh, that's him. But the first time to ask your question was very easy. Very easy to do that. So you typically have a burp cloth that you put in the back, like this one here, and you lean him up against it, and then you wait for him to burp,
Did?
or sometimes even spit up, which has been known to happen. Oh boy, come on back. Need you over here.
Pressure?
Yeah, I tend to not do it very hard, sort of gentle. I like to kind of hear a nice thump. That's kind of what I usually listen for, and it's worked so far.